This is a presentation on salary prediction model. Overview of this presentation. Prediction models are important to predict an outcome based on known values. Many models are being used using machine learning algorithms to make the predictions. The algorithms like linear regression, decision tree, random forest, naive Bayes, etc. are used for building the predictive models. Here, the salary prediction model is used for predicting the salary of a person based on various factors like age, designation, experience years, job role, education qualification, and many more of the employee. These models can predict future employee salary based on the current employee salary data. Linear regression algorithm is being used to build a predictive model for salary prediction for the given data set. The objectives for building the salary prediction model are to build a salary prediction model using one of the machine learning algorithms. And here we have used the linear regression algorithm to build the model. First, we need to read the given data set and analyze the given data set, cleaning of the data set, and then training and testing the model for the given data set, calculating the accuracy of the model, and making the customized predictions. ML algorithms that can be used for building the predictive models are like linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, naive based, k nearest neighbors, and many more. Each algorithm gives different accuracy rate for the same given data set. Based on the advantages and disadvantages of these algorithms, the developers choose the algorithm well suited for building the models. Advantages of linear regression over other algorithms of machine learning are it is simple for implementation and easy to interpret the outputs. Best for linear data. Overfitting can be reduced by regularization. Estimation procedure is simple with linear regression, less complex as compared to other algorithms. Disadvantages of linear regression are it is prone to underfitting and overfitting of the data. It is sensitive to the outliers and it assumes that the data is independent and correlations of error terms. The steps followed for building the salary prediction model here are first, importing the required libraries and packages. Here we have used Python file. In Python, we can import different libraries and packages required for building the models. Next, read the data set and store them in the variable. Check the number of records present in the data set and read the column names and rename the column names if necessary. If there are any gaps in between the column name, then we can make the column name as one name, and also to check the data type of the values present in each column. Check for the duplicate records and missing values and null values present in the data set. Then check for the columns with numeric and non-numeric values. Scale the numeric data to bring them under the same level. Define the independent and dependent variables. Usually the x and y variables are used. Remove the NaN values from the data. Next, split the data set as training data and testing data for training and testing the model. Usually, 80% of the data is used for training and 20% of the data is used for testing. Develop the model for prediction using linear regression. Then, train the model using dependent and independent variables. Calculate the error between the actual and predicted values, and then calculate the actual accuracy of the model. The accuracy determines of how well we can determine the prediction of the salary. Next, make some customized predictions using the model. That is by giving some random values so that we can get the predicted value of the salary that can be offered to an employee. Conclusion. Salary prediction model is being built using machine learning algorithm. Linear regression algorithm is used to build the model and the given data set has been analyzed. The dataset is been cleaned by removing the duplicate records, missing values, and replacing the NaN values by other values. The model is trained and tested for the given dataset. The accuracy of the model is 74.51%.